This is bright. Hi, honeys. How has your day gone? This is still Valentine's Day. And I went in there and took a nap. And then I woke up. I had on makeup. I was going to film something else today. I was waiting for my home chef box to come. And it didn't come until just now. It's after 9 o'clock. So, I've already washed off my makeup, most of it. Put on my medication on my chin. So, I'm going to do an unboxing for my second home chef meal kit. So, I was trying to get in the perfect spot where y'all can see down in this box. So I'm sitting over here. Let me see. I have to lower this. Alright. Well, I just took a knife and opened up the box. It was sealed. That's the way it looks like. Home chef. And Walter, he said he left it on the porch as long as possible because it's cold here. So then he brought it in. He didn't want to wake me up because I never get any sleep. Okay. This comes with coupons. That's where they pack it up. Coupons on the top. Oh, treat 2 friends to the gift of delicious meals. So I have 2 $35 home chef coupons, y'all, that I can give to somebody. I don't know if we got numbers on them. So how can I give? I don't know. It comes with this week's food on the top. So this time I got Swiss chicken with honey mustard and green beans. So that's the chicken, and there's green beans. I guess that's honey mustard on here. What is that, bacon? Fried onions, that's what's on there. And of course it has, oh, it's only 3 steps. Oh, it's gonna come in a pan. I guess I can just put it right in the oven. That's easy. And the second meal is jalapeno popper chicken with corn and zucchini. That's what that looks like. I don't know about zucchini, so this is different. Here are the steps to fixing it. Here's a nice recipe card, so I saved the other 2. So let me get this out my way. This is the way it comes packaged up. It's, what is this? Foam, insulation, it's plastic, and insulation in between the plastic is completely lined with this insulation. It's down in the box. So the first thing, and this is cold. Oh, here's the meal with the pan. It comes packaged up like this. Let me show y'all what's in here. Dropping stuff. Alright. And oh, it's cold. Let's see. Let me take it out and then put it back. Of course, the famous string beans. Here's the pan, oven ready pan. That's cold. What kind of cheese is this? Because I do not do, oh, this is Swiss cheese. I don't do Parmesan at all. 2 things of Swiss cheese, mayonnaise, country Dijon mustard. Mustard is in here. the onions, fried onions, I guess. Garlic pepper. What's this? Garlic salt. Alright. And the meat is always packaged separately. So that's for, let's see, Swiss chicken with honey mustard and green beans. That's for that meal. I'll show y'all again which one it was. This here. Everything to cook that is in there. Alright, now I'm going to show you the other. I'll show you the meat now. Okay, the meat is down up under the other stuff, separated by cardboard. It has an ice pack. So it's very cold down here. Yes. Okay, here's the meat. Ouch. That fell on my foot. The ice pack fell on my good foot. Okay, so here are the chicken breasts. Nice and cold. It looks fresh. Man, they're going to make us lose weight, huh? This is 2 portions. 2 portions here, 2 portions here for the 2 meals. So this is actually 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And this too. Okay. So that's ready to go back in the freezer. In the refrigerator. And on the card, they tell you how long it can stay in the refrigerator. Okay, the one I just showed you, it says cook within 5 days. So it can stay in the refrigerator that long. And this other one, I'm going to show you, jalapeno popper chicken, it can stay in the refrigerator up to 4 days. Alright. So it starts to go bad. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Once again, it's packaged up nicely. Open it. Okay. What's that? What's that? Cilantro? Well, it looks like cilantro. Cilantro, yeah. This is the cilantro, which I ain't gonna use no way because I can't stand the taste. What's that? I don't buy this kind of stuff, so I don't know what it is. Some kind of pepper. I don't want to act ignorant in front of y'all. Oh, jalapeno. That's a big jalapeno, ain't it? I buy my jalapenos in the jar, sliced up. I never bought one. So that's a jalapeno, y'all, who don't know. Ain't it cute? Okay, this is zucchini. I don't buy this either, but I've seen it before. Let me make sure. Yeah, 1 zucchini. Corn. That's supposed to be enough for 2 people. Those other meals, they were enough for 2 people. What kind of cheese is this? It's on here somewhere. I can't see it. Shredded cheddar cheese. That's what this is. And what's this? Crispy fried onions. Buttermilk dill seasoning. And plain light cream cheese. So that's everything that's supposed to make this meal. I'll put it back in here and put these bags in my refrigerator. And cook them within the week. So I think it's very nice, packaged up very nicely, and it's not going to take up a lot of room in my fridge. So these are two different meals, and everything is here except the salt, pepper, and olive oil. That's what they usually say. So the last meal I fixed, I didn't really film it. I just filmed the results, because if I had kept waiting to film, then it wouldn't have got done, and I wouldn't have filmed, because I kept waiting and waiting and waiting, and I didn't want the food to go bad. We ain't throwing away no food. So I want to thank you for watching. This is impromptu, spur of the moment. I wasn't ready for it. I thought it wasn't going to come. And I was about to write this company off. They said it's going to be delivered on Monday, so deliver my food on Monday. And it's pretty late. And what if we had gone, well, it still would have been good, because it's cold here. And it's packaged up so nicely, and the box is insulated. But somebody could have stole this food on the, off the porch. Because it says on the box what it is, so everybody wants some food. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Trying to see what to hold up. Okay. I'm going back to bed, yeah. I'm still tired. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.